I just can't believe that most people still skip this question on the SAT. So we are told if angle 1 is 35 degrees, find angle 2. This question is just like following a map. We would have to keep on finding angles all the way till we reach this particular angle we are about to find. So this angle is equal to 35 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. And this angle is adjacent to this angle here, 35 degrees. Adjacent angles sum up to 180 degrees. So therefore, this angle is 180 minus 35 degrees, which is equal to 145 degrees. So this angle here is 145 degrees. And since this angle and this angle are adjacent, they should also sum up to 180 degrees. This angle is 180 minus 145, which is 35 degrees. The angle we are looking for is supplementary with the angle 35, and supplementary angles sum up to 180 degrees. So therefore, our angle is 180 minus 35 degrees, which is equal to 145 degrees. So our angle here is 145. So this is our answer.